Hello friends, welcome back to MS Technologies. Today in this video, I'm going to show how to handle media files. First, let me talk what is media file. The files which are uploaded by the user are called media files, like uploading images, PDFs, doc files, etc. while publishing a post. At the same time, if you observe images of products in any e-commerce site, so those are all the media files only. Just as with the static files, to serve these media files, we have to add some configurations in our settings.py file. What configurations we have to do? Here we have to do mainly two configurations. One is a media underscore root configuration. Second one is a media underscore URL configuration. First, let me talk about media underscore root setting. It contains the absolute path to the file system where media files will be loaded. It accepts only strings but not a list or tuple. And this it will create one new directory named with the media where it will create inside our Django project root directory. The place where we have managed.py file is located in same location. This media directory also will be created. How to do this setting? First, open settings.py file where we have settings.py file inside shopping cart. Here we have one settings.py file. Open this file. Here at the end, earlier we had one setting. What we setting earlier? We did one setting like here. See, at the end, suppose if you want to work with the static files, here we have to do the static file configuration also. For that, here what setting we have to do for static files like this? Static files underscore dirs equal to, right? Inside this we have to give the static file path. So below to this one we have to set media underscore root also. How to set that one? Media underscore root equal to os dot path dot join of base dir comma, here we have to give that directory name is media. Like this we have to set a media underscore root. So second one is media underscore URL setting. What about this media underscore URL setting? What is this? This setting works similar to static underscore URL. See, if you observe inside settings.py file, here we have static underscore URL is there. Same way, this media underscore URL also will work. Here, just below to this media underscore root, right? We have to add this code. What code we have to add? See, like this media underscore URL equal to /media like this we have to give it here. So next what we have to do after doing these two settings, next activity what we have to do it here. Here we did two settings inside settings.py file. One is media underscore root, second one is media underscore URL. Next what we have to do? So next, download this image and save it as right Python for what, suppose whatever the image name you gave with that name inside media directory. To access that image, what we have to do? First, start the server. Here I am going to start the server. How to start the server? Python manage.py run server. So now here server is going. Once server got started, go to browser. Here I'll try to access that image. First, let me go to admin panel, admin. Yesterday here I uploaded one image also. If you go to products, inside this product mobile is there. Here I uploaded one image. This is the image. Shopping cart, inside shopping cart, product underscore images. I uploaded a Redmi mobile. I uploaded it here. Now, if you click on this, you won't get anything yet here. Here you won't get anything yet here. You will navigate to this file. So next here, I will try to access that image right from browser. Through browser, I will try to access that one. See, is it possible or not? Here I will give request like this: 127.0.0.18000 slash. Here I will give like media slash. What is the file name? What is the image name? We uploaded it here. That is here I am taking this image name, copy. Now go to here, paste it at end like this. If you click on this, what it will happen, we'll see first. See, here we are getting some error. What error we are getting? Page not found. Page not found, something error we are getting it here. See what we have to do it here. So request URL HTTP 127.0.8000 media Redmi. At some page not found error we are getting it here. So what we have to do? Why we are getting this error? What problem? See, here we have to do one more activity. What we have to do? The problem is that the Django server does not serve media files by default. Here Django server does not serve media files by default. Then what we have to do? To make Django server serve static files, we have to add a URL pattern inside urls.py file. Inside urls.py file, we have to add some URL pattern. Then only Django server can able to serve the static files. What URL pattern we have to add inside urls.py file? Open that urls.py file. Go to urls.py file. Here what we have to add? See, here we have to import two things at here. First, here we have to import two things. What we have to import? First, from Django.conf import settings. Next one is from Django.conf.urls import static. We have to give it here static. And here we have to append that static also at here. At the end, we have to add that URL pattern at here. I'm going to append it here. Plus static of settings dot media underscore URL comma here document underscore root equal to settings dot media underscore root we have to add like this. So this is the URL pattern we have to add inside urls.py file. Here what we did, inside urls.py file we imported two things. One is the settings, second one is the static. Then we have to append our URL pattern yet here. Before that, what we did, inside settings.py file we have added two settings. So one is media underscore root, second one is media underscore URL. Right, next what we have to do yet here. See, save this urls.py file. Now run the server. Here, after starting the server, inside our main project root, inside shopping cart, wherever we have manage.py file, in that location, if you observe, you can able to see this media folder. Inside that media folder, what we have? Shopping cart. Inside that, what we have? Product images. Inside that, what we have? Here we have redmi.jpg. Right? We uploaded one image in last class. In last video, we uploaded one image which is nothing but 1 minute. Here, go to admin panel. There we can able to see. Here we uploaded one image in last video. See here, go to products. If you click on this mobile, here you can able to see shopping cart. Inside shopping cart, product images is there. Inside that we have Redmi mobile is there. That Redmi mobile we can able to see it here. Now if you go to here and give that path, what is that path? So this is the path 127.0.0.1800. Inside that we have media folder. Inside that we have shopping cart. Inside that we have product images. There we uploaded our images. The image name is redmi.jpg. Now if you click on this, you will get that image here. See, like this, you can able to see that image. Now I will add one more image, right? So here, go to products. Now I'm going to add one more image. Before that, I will download any image at here. I will download one t-shirt. One t-shirt image I will download it here. If you go for any images, here you can able to see the images like this. Here you can able to see the images. Save image. I'm saving in some location. On desktop, I'm going to save this t-shirt. On desktop, I'm saving this one. Here I will give name also like t-shirt. Save this one. So now here, go to our admin panel. In this admin panel, I'm going to add the product. So what is the product you are going to give? Here, I'm going to give product name is a t-shirt and the category cloths, subcategory menswear. Here price I'm giving 300 rupees and product description latest model. Now here product date I'm going to give today's date, latest model 2020 0510 is the today date. Here product image, here I'm going to upload from this click on this choose file. Here t-shirt image is there. On desktop I have t-shirt image. I'm going to upload this image. Click on open. T-shirt got uploaded. Now save this one. Right. So now here if you click on the t-shirt, you can able to see all the details once again like this. T-shirt, that category is clothes, subcategory is menswear, price 300 rupees, product description latest model, product date today date, and here I uploaded the t-shirt. Now go to our application. Here if you observe it here, inside media folder shopping cart is there. Inside the product images is there. Here we uploaded all images. T-shirt also came at here. T-shirt we uploaded inside media folder. So now here go to browser. Here what I'm going to give, see, observe it here. Just here I will give t-shirt.jpg. T-shirt.jpg. You can able to see that t-shirt. So now I'm going to access all these images on browser. Tomorrow I will design one browser homepage. Right there I have to download all these images from media folder and I have to display on the browser. You can able to see that t-shirt. So now I'm going to access all these images on browser. Tomorrow I will design one browser homepage. Right there, I have to download all these images from media folder, and I have to display on the browser. Right? If you guys, so now we are going to download all these images, and we have to display on home page. Right below this image, I want to display the details of that image also. Details of that product also we have to display. Right. If you guys are interested in this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Right. So thank you. Bye bye.